going on, guys? Trucks and Water here, and as you can tell, I am not driving. Why, you might ask? Yeah, every once in a while she wants to drive me around and whatnot and show me off and whatnot, which is fine. I don't mind doing that whatsoever. So right now we're in Sam the Ram, or Samantha, either way you want to say it. There'll be a whole separate video introducing her truck to the channel, but just give you a little sneak peek. Video coming on that soon with rollers, and the rollers are gonna look so damn good on this truck. Anyway, so right now we're meeting up with my boyfriend Hunter and his girlfriend Ivy. We're gonna do an escape game, do a bunch of fun stuff like that, because contrary to popular belief, I try to have some free time, you know, out of my crazy busy schedule. So we'll bring you all along for the ride. As we just got done with an escape game. Hunter, Ivy, how was it?
We broke out.
And what, 5:30?
I think we had.
Yeah, about 5:30 left. It was actually a really good one. Hunter taking pictures of his babe in the parking garage. We are in a top secret parking garage that not a lot of people know about. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Well, babe, don't lock it yet. So anyways, we're gonna go to dinner. We'll catch up with you later. Done with dinner, so we're about to head out, do some little bit of other things. But this is a sneak peek of Bae's truck. Yeah, it's got flow masters on it too. So I'm walking them out of the parking garage. This is still a parking garage underneath construction technically, and I make sure they don't get any nails or anything in the back of their tires. Okay, let's go, come on, before security. Apparently we're having a rev war in the damn parking garage now. Oh, I love her so much. I just got that low. Dear Lord. Yeah, she's got a light bar. Good job, babe. All right, guys. Right now I am currently at Home Depot. It is Sunday. I'm gonna run and grab some stuff for the truck. A lot of you have been asking what I carry in my toolbox, so I'm gonna go over that later on in this video on what my setup is in the toolbox and what I carry and why I carry it. But right now I'm gonna run to Home Depot and get some stuff. I think me and Hunter are hanging out today and whatnot a little bit, and let's see where this day goes. We are heading back to Mexico. We're gonna try to get me, Hunter, and everybody are gonna try to visit Mexico as much as we can before they sell the farm this year. It's bittersweet, you know. The farm has created a lot of videos, a lot of cool content and stuff, you know, but I know there's bigger and better things to come when they sell the farm. But at the same time, that was kind of like, damn, you know, that was like, that's the OG spot of Trucks and Water. Like, all the shenanigans, all the craziness, everything like that, that was the OG spot. So we'll see where it goes, but yeah, I'm really gonna miss the farm when it goes away. Back in Mexico, boys. Oh, I miss this place. Even though I was here, like, I think last week. Yeah, last week's vlog or something like that. I don't remember, but damn, I miss this place. So pretty, especially in the sunlight. I miss this place when they sell it. And I've beaten Hunter here. Little sucker. Oh, there's a wiener dog. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my goodness. We're gonna pat you? Are we gonna pat you? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You'll come and visit me. Yeah. Oh my goodness. How are you all doing? Oh my goodness, you're such a fluff ball. That's all you are, is a big fluff ball. Come on. Lily. Come here, Lily. Come here, Lily. How you going? You doing, girl? The rare sighting of Hunter's second vehicle that doesn't ever leave the garage. it's out in public now. Like, it's actually out on a road.
Get used.
How many miles are on it?
It's a lot, like 326.
He bought it 1 year ago, back in December, and only had
2017.
so it'll be 2 years, and only has 326 miles on it. He doesn't drive this truck, which I don't blame him. I really don't. But what the hell?
I'm probably gonna drive it in this week though. It needs to be driven bad. That gas, I haven't even filled it up yet.
You mean that's 2-year-old gas in there? Oh my God, Hunter. If I don't drive my truck for 2 days, I get antsy. I don't know how you haven't driven this truck at all. Like, look how clean this is, guys. Look at that. Not a speck of dust or dirt on this frame.
Because I wiped I go underneath the whole truck and wipe everything down.
Yeah, he really does. You think I'm OCD and anal about my truck? At least my truck is driven. No, we need to take this down to the Sweetwater farm and go jump it.
Well, this thing would be fantastic.
It started life as an SR5, right?
An SR.
SR. And he
stripped everything.
Yeah, and he literally redid to basically be a TRD Pro truck with but it's got some aftermarket other stuff on it.
The grill. I put those on. Those were a pain in the arsenal to get on there. And suspension.
Yeah, the suspension's
I put that on.
It's full coilovers in the front with bypass shocks in the back. Thing rides like a damn cloud, literally. But yeah, this is the rare sighting of Hunter's other vehicle. I had to shut my four-wheeler off, but let's see if Hunter can do something really stupid.
I'll go straight through. Oh no!
If you had more speed, you would have done it.
Really?
Yeah.
I slowed down.
You had the momentum. You had the momentum. Send it! Yeah! Guys, you've asked for this for a long time, so I'm gonna go over what I carry in my toolbox real quick. Hunter's here with me too. What I carry in my toolbox real quick and what I carry in the cab with me pretty much everywhere I go. The only time it changes when I go on vacation. So basically, let's see if I can get my key in the slot, it'd be great. There we go. So there we go, it's locked, unlocked. Okay, so what I carry is, on this rack, I've got a mini shovel, a lock for a cooler, batteries, glasses, a little MP3 or a Bluetooth little speaker, my Inu straps. Over here, I've got my extra serpentine belt, coolant, tranny fluid, engine fluid, some cleaning products over here with jumper cables. Underneath this, with the air mattresses, underneath this, I've got a ice scraper, some toe straps, as you can see right there. Got some toe straps, ratchet straps like this, like a rear mount hitch hook that I like wrap my recovery strap around so I can tow people out. They can tow me out if I ever get stuck. Some, let's see here, some wrenches. I got like a thing of wrenches. I got a thing of like all that kind of stuff, just basic stuff, guys. Then I got my spare tire right here, my old wheel that got hit by that grandma. I still use it as my spare. Ratchet strap down to my toolbox right here. It's very loosely ratchet straps, not like tight. So that's what I have in my toolbox as Hunter starts up his truck. Then inside here, I've got, don't mind the mess, I've got in here, I've got, you know, headache medicine, chapstick, you know, stuff like that. I got a big spare flashlight back there, like 1400 lumens. I've got a first aid kit underneath where my little miniature portable vacuum is. Extra jacket in that one, big neon yellow. And that's basically my setup. I have enough stuff to where something happens, I can try to fix it. If not, then I have to call a tow truck. But it's just being prepared, guys. You know, you never know what kind of situations you might get into. So, you know, spend a little extra money, get stuff like that, and you all should be good to go. The most terrifying thing for a wide truck on 12 wides or wider is drive-thrus. Well, guys, as you can see, another drive-through without curving my wheels. It's the small victories in life that matter, guys.
We'll be right back.